Okay, so I'm Daniel Marshall.
I'm Lucy Casey.
And we've got the Woodwork. So the Woodwork is a multimedia football company. We have around over 30 contributors work for us, and we work very heavily on both men's and women's football, and having that equal stance. It's this platform for uni students to sort of get involved into the football industry, and that was our main goal in terms of contributors coming to work for us, that everyone here who's at university, their aim is to get into that football industry, and we kind of gave that platform, and it's turned into something that we're very passionate about, something that we really want to grow on.
And as sports journalism students ourselves, we're trying to be what we needed in first year in September, October time, where there wasn't really, like you said, a place to make our stance in the industry. So I guess that's what we're trying to do.
What we follow anyway, us two, is, up there, we kind of, our mind is, obviously we want to do very financially well with this business, but one of our big aims is the income will come, let's focus on making the impact. And I feel like that's what we've been striving for a while, and the effort that Lucy's putting in terms of women's football content has been fantastic, and it's really changed the sort of philosophy of the company going forward. And the people who work for us, it's we hear stories of how much they benefit and how we benefit as a company, and I think it's just a great platform for everyone to be involved in, and
to see where they're progressing as well, because we've given them their voice in a way, and now we've got people working for their local clubs, people branching out further, now becoming social media managers. So for us to be able to see that, it's really good, and if they're still able to write for us, even better, obviously. But yeah, it's just good to see where they're going with it.
Where I see us in 10 years is sort of the biggest thing that I see us being in is that we are having an influence in this industry on both men's and women's football scale. I really see us, because we saw, especially the higher ups and people involved in the company, we're so passionate about it, in a sense of, we really do want to change elements of the industry and change systems of the industry. And I think us now, we give voices to people, and I think we strive for that, and I think as the business goes on in the future, we'll continue to strive for that, because that's our aim and that's our strive. In 10 years' time, the biggest thing I see us doing is influencing the football industry.
Also, sorry, what you mentioned before as well about the men and women's football divide, I think for us, we can't compare ourselves to other companies, because we started off our company with a good level of women's coverage, and most companies like Sky, BBC, they're very male dominated. Yes, they're getting better, but their stats, you can't compare. Obviously ours is on a very low scale, but we're starting it from early on. So hopefully in the future, you just see our company as a football company. It's not a football company that has women's football, it is just football.